In this video, I will show you how to make a sand and cement screed. The thickness of the screed will be determined by the reference point, the finished floor, by the thickness of the slabs with which we want to cover this screed, by the material with which they will be fixed, plus the thickness of any self-leveling screed. In this video, the reference point is the floor which is outside this bathroom. This bathroom will be lined with tiles whose thickness is 7 millimeters. The adhesive will be 3 millimeters. 1. On a broom handle, I measured 101 centimeters. The extra centimeter is the thickness of the tile, which, as I said, is 7 millimeters plus 3 millimeters of adhesive. I will measure 1 meter from the reference point, the finished floor, fix the laser level on the mark, and then mark with the pencil on the light beam. To make the so-called witnesses, I will need a single level tile and grout. After placing some mortar trowels, I will place the tile on top and push it until the laser level light line is above the stick mark and the one on the wall. I will bring the plate level with this level. I will proceed in the same way for all the witnesses. The plumbing will be incorporated into the screed. As can be seen with the help of the laser level, and this technique, we will have a flat and leveled screed, which is very important during flooring. After the witnesses have hardened, we can start making the bands. If the surface is dry and absorbent, we will wet it, otherwise the mortar will not dry and will not adhere well. Since in this area the screed will have a reduced thickness, before pouring the mortar I applied a primer. This primer will increase the adhesion of the mortar to the support. After the bands have dried, you can proceed with casting the screed. On my channel, you will find other videos on screed casting. Furthermore, on the channel, you will find recordings of the flooring and covering of this bathroom and many other recordings that can be useful for those who want to understand how it is made.